Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's session. Today we are going to study the last chapter of class plus 2. The chapter is environmental issues. See, in this chapter you will study a number of environmental issues and the causes of the environmental issues. But in today's session we will study about air pollution. Air pollution is one of the environmental issues. So in air pollution we will study about causes, effects and the methods by which the air pollution can be reduced. But in today's session we will focus only on the causes and the effects of air pollution. So in this chapter what you have to study, these are the key points that you have to study in this chapter. First we will see introduction, then what is air pollution, the meaning of the air pollution, causes, effects and the methods of control, that what are the methods by which air pollution can be reduced. After that water pollution, causes, effects and the methods of control of water pollution. Solid waste management, जो solid waste है how it is treated. After that radioactive substances and how the radioactive waste is managed. After that we will study greenhouse effect, then ozone depletion, then deforestation and one case study related to deforestation. So these are the key points that you have to study. Let's start with introduction. See, the population of India is growing day by day. It is growing very rapidly. Why the population of India is growing? You should know, and I hope you know the reason for the increasing population of India. The rapid increase in the population within a short period of time is called population explosion. Population का बहुत कम time में बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाना, that is called population explosion, जिसको हम विनाश बोलते हैं. तो as you know that nowadays medical facilities are there, जो इतनी सारी development हुई है, तो a number of facilitating factors are there which are considered as the causes for the rapid increase in the population. आजकल मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज इतनी बढ़ गई हैं तो लोगों को कुछ भी बीमारी या कोई भी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं तो these problems can be treated and the lifespan of the organisms have been increased. The increasing population on the earth is causing so many harmful effects in the environment. Of course, if the number of the individuals will be increasing, there will be increased demand of habitat, food, employment. So if the population is increasing, the problems like pollution, global warming, deforestation, unemployment, these problems have increased. So as you know that pollution is very harmful for us. So Environmental Protection Act 1986 played important role in reducing the air pollution by implementing the rules to reduce the pollution. So let's start with air pollution. What is the meaning of air pollution? Air pollution simply means contamination of air. Air में contaminants का add होना या जो contamination of air, why? The addition of the undesirable or harmful substances in the air is called air pollution. जितने भी undesirable या harmful substances हैं, these harmful substances may be harmful gases, some toxic substances, some biological molecules. तो जितने भी toxic substances हैं जब ये add होते हैं air में तो they make the air unfit for the consumption and this is called air pollution. And what are air pollutants? Air pollutants are the agent. These are the substances which are added in the air and cause the air pollution. या simply the agent या substances which cause the air pollution are called air pollutants. Example में आप पढ़ते हैं smoke, dust, toxic metals, harmful gases, कोई biological molecules. तो these all act as the air pollutants. देखिए इसके अंदर जो ये डस्ट है, this dust acts as the very harmful pollutant because the dust is present in the solid form or very small very small molecules of dust may be inhaled by the human, which will be trapped in the lungs. So the dust they may cause the respiratory issues, respiration related diseases. After that, what are the causes of air pollution? See, what are the causes? A number of causes are there which are responsible for air pollution. First है हमारे पास industrial emission. See, what is industrial emission? Industrial emission is the emission or the release of the harmful substances like smoke, dust particle, harmful gases from the industries. As you know, the development has taken place so rapidly. So number of industries, these industries या factories maybe for the manufacturing of something, for recycling, या कोई पेस्टिसाइड इंसेक्टिसाइड बनाने की जो इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, जो कोई भी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, व्हेन द सब्सटेंसेस या प्रोडक्ट्स आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन द इंडस्ट्री, then the waste substances are released from the chimneys in the form of smoke. This smoke when enter in the environment, it will cause the air pollution. After that है dust. See, dust, as I said you, that dust is the very harmful air pollutant. जो जितने भी जो सैंड वाले एरियाज हैं, देखिए जिस जगह पर ग्रीनरी कम होगी वहां पर जो डस्ट ज्यादा होगी, तो जो डस्ट है दैट इज that causes very harmful effect in the lungs. After that, increased number of automobiles. You know very well, as the population of country is increasing very rapidly, so the use of the automobiles are also increasing. So when these automobiles work, they consume the fossil fuels. इनमें fuels use होता है. When this fuel is burned, जब इस फ्यूल की बर्निंग होगी, इट विल प्रोड्यूस वेरी हार्मफुल गैसेस लाइक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. तो दिस ऑटोमोबाइल प्रोड्यूस वेरी हार्मफुल गैसेस एंड द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स which will enter in the environment and will cause the air pollution. After that, use of agrochemicals. See, agrochemicals क्या हैं? Agrochemicals are the chemicals which are used in the agriculture like pesticide, insecticides, या कोई weedicides. So when these chemicals are sprayed in the fields on the crops, then some of the particles या some of the drops may remain in the environment or in the atmosphere and the cause is the air pollution. After that, radioactivity. You very well have here about the radioactive substances in physics and also maybe in chemistry. So when the radioactivity takes place, very harmful radiations are released in the environment which causes the air pollution. After that, volcanic activities, it also produces dust and the harmful gases. Noise is the unwanted जो साउंड्स या अनवांटेड जो भी आवाजें नेचर में प्रोड्यूस होती हैं. सी, जो हार्मफुल नॉइस है दैट इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर अस. इट प्रोड्यूसेस द फिजिकल एज वेल एज द फिजियोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी. तो दीज आर द कॉजेज ऑफ द एयर पोल्यूशन. आफ्टर दैट, इफेक्ट्स ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन. व्हाट आर द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन? Contaminated air may cause respiratory related diseases. Of course, as you know that during breathing or respiration we take oxygen, and when these harmful gases will enter in the respiratory tract, the respiratory related diseases may occur. After that, premature deaths of plants and animals. What happens? The pollution in the air will inhibit the growth of the plants and animals. तो प्रीमेच्योर, मैच्योर होने से पहले ही if the infection takes place in the plants and animals, then there will be premature death. After that, it reduces crop production, because as you know that plants perform photosynthesis, and when the process of photosynthesis takes place, the carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is released out through the pore-like structures present on the surface of leaves called stomata. So when the air pollution will take place, So this the harmful gases or the dust will be deposited on the surface of the leaves, which will close the stomata, and the exchange of gases will not take place. Also, the lenticels will be closed, present on the stem. So what happens? The air pollution interferes with the process of photosynthesis, and it will reduce the crop production. After that, diseases and deaths of animals and other plants. Of course, when the harmful contaminated air will be inhaled by the plants and the animals, so it will cause the harmful effects in the lungs or in the neck region. So it may cause the diseases or death of the plants and animals.